Welcome to DIY Days. This week we'll be making monster rocks. The materials you'll need are rocks, leaves, paint, paintbrushes, and a glue stick. I start by covering black paint on all my rocks. After I finish painting the rocks, I put them to the side, then wait till they dry, and then paint another coat over it so it's pitch black. Now that everything is dry, I'll be adding the leaves and how I want it to be. Now that the leaves are all glued on, I'm going to move on to painting the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be using fog gray. I'm going to be using red to represent a bloody mouth. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing with the other rock, but not wiping off my brush, and so I can leave a little bit of red on it. And repeat. Now I'm mixing white and red to make pink for the tongue. Now I'm adding orange, yellow, and green for the outside of the eyes. Now I'm going in with white for the outside of the eyes. Now I'll be going in with green for the outline of the eyes. Now I'm just re-adding black for the pupils. Now I'm adding black, red, and white to make it seem like the bone is showing and blood. Adding white for the other pupils now. And now I'm going to be outlining the eyes with different colors. And here are our rock monsters. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's DIY Days, because I did. And tune in for next week. Bye.